had gone through, well, Sean and Todd had gone through and cut down all the weed trees that were here. And where you see all the pink flags is where Sean needs to stump grind. Sean has spent hours today so far getting all the stumps out, all the weed tree stumps, the mulberry trees. He's got all the way down to that pine tree. So Sean's stump grinding along the fence line to the north of our house. We've got these 3 trees here that this vine choked out and killed. So I'm going to try and go through and remove all the rocks that are here so Sean can grind this out. I've got to do this too. While Sean was stump grinding, I dug the rocks out around the stump. And that stump and that stump. you loosen it. Take the cover off, all right. Then what? Oh, you just push the bar back. Oh, that's why you change them so fast. Words of Jim Carrey, smoking. Okay, the direction of the tea. So we get upstairs and brush our teeth and hear this massive crash down here. Look at that. We didn't even touch that shelf. We haven't touched that shelf in weeks. Well, a bunch of my Fostoria is broken. Ate that seed quick.
Peanut butter's right there. He's the room. And he definitely protects the girls, doesn't he? It's windy. Doors are slamming. They love being petted, but they freak out while it's happening. Oh, don't be pecking at my shoe.